Alright, so I just got on a buy on GU. I think I entered slightly early as well. Ooh. Might have wrapped it. Okay. Crazy, man. Why is there so much volume all of a sudden? There's no news either. Bro. Look at how close that wick was to my stop loss. Oh my goodness. Crazy. So I like this broker, man. Holy. That's holy. If this goes on to win as well, GG's. Yeah, insane, man. Can't even lose this trade anymore. Insane. Nah, that's wild. There's so much volume though. Actually missed TP by just 1 pip. So hopefully the next candle will do it. Hey, good trade though. Scary, but good trade.